Haire kia makara niwe urayukirie hotani mwena wa arume wa Mbĩtĩka cia golf iria irarugamĩrĩirwo nĩ kanjũ ya athuri a rũrĩrĩ rwa Meru. Ndudu ya njuri ncheke itafanĩtie Mbĩtĩka ici kĩharo-inĩ gĩa kĩrabu kĩa Nanyuki iria iragucĩrĩirie magana ma athaki. Mbĩtĩka ici icokereirie thutha wacio kũrũgamio rĩrĩa mũrimũ wa COVID-19 watuthũkire. Atabania makiuga icokereirie na mũrimũ mũnene thegia ya guthaka muoroto ũngĩ wa athuri aya a Meru nĩ gũtheremia maũndũ ma mĩikaranĩrie ũhoro wĩgiĩ mĩtugo na ũndũire wa rũrĩrĩ rwao. Mũrũgamĩrĩri wa mathako ma golf kĩama-inĩ kĩa njuri ncheke nĩ Ben Mũthaũra na nĩ atũgĩrĩtie athaki nĩ ũndũ wa werutĩri wao ihinda-inĩ rĩa mĩaka 31.
It all started in the clubhouse. At one corner of the clubhouse, 3 men start having a drink after a good golfing day. That is 31 years ago. These 3 men were not very happy with what they had been given to eat after the golf tournament. The food was quite spicy. We asked our wives to bring food, Meru, to be eaten by people who are not used to our food, just as much as this is like a retaliation we are trying to do. But then the golf tournament was born. Well, they enjoyed our food, and then we opted to do it again and again. Now we expanded our group to contribute for this festival. You notice it's not a golf tournament, we call it a golf festival because it's all about feasting, enjoying yourselves, socializing, and that kind of stuff.
We are still pursuing to ensure that by next year we have many golfers here for the Nanyuki. We are not sure about the name, but we are going to do a public participation to ensure that we have a good name that is going to fit the people that are going to be, or rather to fit the region, because other regions, they have the same.
Later in the year, to encourage individuals with disabilities to take up the game of golf.